What's up guys, I'm Dan, I'm from KillerWipers.com. Today we're going to do an install video on this Mini Cooper R53. Alright guys, so today we're installing it on the R53, but the method is the same for the R50. So tools for this job, really basic set of tools. I mean, I've got a set of caveman tools here, really basic. We've got a little spanner. We're only going to use this to pry the wiper arm off. We've got a Phillips screwdriver. This is going to help remove the trim from the inside of the hatch to remove that. We've got a Halford special socket set. You know, you're done now. 13mm. You're going to need a deep one for the rear wiper arm. I've knocked that one today, so I'm going to use an adjustable spanner. You're going to need your Killer Wipers kit. You can get that on KillerWipers.com. Also going to need some glass cleaner. We need to prepare the glass because we're going to bond the kit from the inside. First things first, just want to pop this trim off. It's going to reveal a 13mm nut. So next, you want to get your deep 13 socket. If you've got one, an adjustable spanner will do. Just want to loosen this off. Should be able to use your fingers to get the rest of the bolt off. The wiper arm is connected to the motor via a spline. Over the years, these get stuck on and sometimes they can be pretty tricky to remove. So this piece can come off if it's in your way. We're going to try and wiggle this wiper free. Your spanner, you pry underneath. It's not so bad, this one. Straight off. So at this stage you've got your wiper arm off. Next step, we're going to remove the trim from the inside of the hatch. You'll take your Phillips screwdriver. We've got 6 Phillips screws, 4 at the top, 2 in the corners. Get those out. So as you get your last screw out, we're then going to remove this plastic trim. Just literally pulls down, it's held in by clips, you can use the handles. So once you remove the hatch trim, we're going to disconnect the power to the wiper motor. And also we're going to remove this hose, which is the water jet pipe. Let's tuck those away for now. I've then got 3 10mm bolts. I'm going to remove those. So now your motor's out. Just got these 2 dangling down. I'm going to deal with those later. So now we're going to remove this rubber bung, clean the glass. Going to want to clean the outside of the glass and also the inside of the glass because we're going to seal from the inside and we want to make sure that the glass is 100% clean and free from any grit. I'm sure some of you guys have had a bit of practice doing this before. So once the inside of the glass is clean as well, it's time to fit the kit. So next step, we're going to actually fit the kit now. I know you've been waiting in all day, staring at the window like a lost puppy waiting for your delivery, or you've missed it and had to go to the depot to pick it up. But now we're actually going to fit the kit. The kit comes with the actual delete, obviously. This part is for the syringe. It's an application needle. A lot of people, for some reason, seem to think that it blocks off the water pipe, but that's not the case. So what we're going to do, we're going to open this up. Another little tip, for other people that fit the kit the wrong way, the Grim Reaper logo should be on the inside of the hatch. And a nice shiny gloss bit is going to be on the outside to give you the flush fit. So this next step can get a little bit messy. So the best way to do this, I've got a piece of gaffer tape. I'm going to fit the kit, stick the kit actually onto the gaffer tape. I'm going to take our sealant. application needle on, and then I'm just going to fill the edge of this delete. So much easier when you put it on a gaffer tape rather than trying to do it in your hand and spin it around. It's just a lot easier. Don't be shy with it. We're going to put as much on as possible because once we fit it, we want it as watertight as possible. We want it to be 100% watertight. Otherwise, it could lead to other issues like water getting in your boot. If you've got an electric handle, you really don't want that to get wet. So just, there's enough here to absolutely cake it in it. So that's a sealant application bit done. As you can see, there's plenty on there. If it's the first time that you've actually done this, or you've fitted one of our kits, we do usually suggest not to put the sealant on straight away and do a test fit. So you can just pop it in from the back, just make sure you're happy with it, and then proceed to this section because it can be really messy. So next, we're going to take the wiper delete whilst it's on the gaffer tape, and we're going to fit it in from the back of the hatch. So you've pushed the kit in from the back. You've still got the protective film at this point, because you can have a lot of excess sealant on the outside. It's not too much here. I'm just going to give it a quick wipe down. Just going to make sure that it's off the glass. It's not so important, but we just want to make sure that all the sealant's off the glass so it's not so hard to get off later. It is removable, but you want to get it as much off as possible before it sets. Okay, so we're going to leave this to set now for at least an hour, and then we're going to remove the protective film. Alright, so we've let it set for 1 hour. We're now going to remove this film to reveal the finished product. Just a little tip for you guys. Once you've actually finished with your sealant, you can reseal it, pop it in your tool case, just in case you need it for anything else. Obviously, if you've not sealed it correctly and it's leaking water, you've got a backup. So we're going for the money shot now. We're going to remove this protective film. Can be a little bit awkward. So now guys, what we're going to do, the bag that your kit came in, I'm going to double this up and actually use it rather than throw it in the bin. Got your electric cable, which was for your motor. Obviously, if you're going to sell the car or whatever you're going to do with it, you want to put it back to standard. You don't want any water to ingress into this plug, so we're just going to pop the bag over. I'm going to grab a cable tie. Make sure that's fully watertight. Later. So as this car is an O2 plate, it is a little bit older, you can't switch off the rear washer jet via the ECU. So there's two ways of doing this. You can pop a screw in here and tie this in a knot, put a plastic bag around it and cable tie it out of the way. Or if you're super paranoid about getting water into the boot, you can disconnect it from the front washer bottle, just pop a screw in there with a bit of PTF, job's a good one. So the last bit, we're going to put the trim back on. So there's a little tip here, these little clips, they come off really easily when you pull your trim off, so some of them might have got stuck in the hatch, just pop those back out, clip them on, pop your trim back on. that's it guys, job's done. Super easy, it probably only took you 15-20 minutes. If you had a brew in between, it might have took you 30 minutes. But it looks super clean, awesome finish. So much better than a plumber's bung. I mean, why would you want a plumber's bung on your pride and joy? Link for this kit is in the description below. We're going to have loads more content. If you want to subscribe to the channel, that'll be awesome. It's not just going to be how-tos, there's also going to be show coverage on there, videos of customers' cars, and that's it. It's our first video on the channel. Obviously, we've only got this one video on at the moment, but if your car isn't on the channel yet, the principles of how we've actually fit this is pretty much how all cars are. It's just literally a couple of screws, clips, and a couple of bolts. It's super easy. Alright guys, take it easy.